Okay, so we're getting to the entrance of Morales. The power keeps going out on the cell signal, so that may be why you won't hear from us. But what we're going to try to do is get in all the way to where the fincas are, where our people are trapped. We've got in touch with Marita. She's okay. They evacuated her last night, women and children. And Veronica as well is in one of the shelters, and so we're going to try and get to them because they've got a bridge that's been cut off and they haven't been able to get any help. So we're going to see what we can do to get the help that we're bringing to them. So keep watching. I'm going to switch it to Shore of the Rivers. Okay. So, this was all underwater where we are right now driving. We couldn't get in here yesterday if we wanted to. And you can see there's a plane up there. People are still trapped on roofs in a lot of places. But yeah, you can see here just the extent of damage. It's not that bad.
So now we're in the main center. There's helicopters. And this is where we're going to drop everything off so that we can distribute it properly. And they're going to take everything with helicopters to the people that are most affected that we can't get to by roads. So this is great that this is here and everything is very, very organized. You can see, I'll just show you a little walk around. Lots of volunteers, lots of people helping. So we're going to take everything here, ration it all out, and then make sure that everybody gets it. So now we're basically cutting everything in half. We've left, this is the town of Cayugas. This is the first time they've gotten any help, so that's pretty overwhelming. This horrible situation. Their houses are underwater. Everyone that's here has been evacuated, and you know it could be a while before they get back to where they need to be. So please keep helping.
We're stopped now, but you can kind of see where the waters come up from people's houses. Tenedor. It's really bad.
Okay, we're in Tenedores now, and this is just so you can see really how bad it is, because the water's still rushing through here. And all these people, just there's nothing you can do. It's horrible. Absolutely horrible.